Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something exciting to talk about: the iOS 18 beta. Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of innovation, and if you're eager to get your hands on the latest features and improvements before anyone else, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of downloading iOS 18 beta, let's take a moment to appreciate the anticipation and excitement that surrounds every major iOS release. Apple events, with their iconic keynotes and product unveilings, are the highlight of every tech enthusiast's calendar. They're the moments when the future becomes tangible, when dreams become reality. And this year's event promises to be no different. Think about it: with each iOS update, Apple doesn't just introduce new features, they redefine the way we interact with our devices. From the seamless integration of hardware and software to the unparalleled attention to detail, every aspect of the iOS experience is designed to delight and inspire. And iOS 18 is no exception. With its groundbreaking advancements in artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and privacy, it's set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a closer look at what's in store. I'll guide you through the steps to download the iOS 18 beta on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Go to your iPhone's settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Now, tap on Software Update. Check if there's an iOS 18 update available. If not, don't worry. We'll move on to the next step. Simply tap on Beta Update. Here you should see the iOS 18 Developer Beta. Tap on it. Once you've tapped on iOS 18 Developer Beta, go back to the Software Update section. You should now see the iOS 18 update available for download. Tap on Download and Install. If you don't see the iOS 18 Beta Update in the Beta Software section, it means you may need to wait a bit longer. Remember, if you're still not seeing the update after the Apple event, which is scheduled for June 10th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, don't worry. Sometimes updates roll out gradually, especially due to time differences in different countries. So hang tight and keep an eye out for the update. It should arrive shortly after the event. And there you have it. That's how you can download the iOS 18 beta on your iPhone. Stay tuned for more updates and happy exploring with iOS 18.